Hi friends, how are you? Our next topic is estimating sum and difference. Here first we are going to discuss estimating sum. Estimate the sum of 3248 and 5163 by rounding off to the nearest tens. Also find the actual sum. To find the estimate sum, first we have to round off these two numbers to the nearest tens. Okay. 3248 lies between two tens. Which are they? 3240 and 3250. The middle number is 3245. Where is the position of 48? 3248. It is after the middle number. It is nearer to 3250. So 3248 is rounded up to 3250. Okay. Then consider next number 5163 lies between two tens. Which are they? 5160, 5170. The middle number is 65. 5165. Okay. So, the position of 63 is before the middle number, isn't it? Or nearer to 5160. So, it is rounded down to 5160. Okay. Then, next we have to find the estimated sum. Estimated sum is equal to is equal to 3250 plus 5160. 0. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 8410 is the estimated sum. Then how do we find the actual sum? Actual sum is equal to the sum of actual numbers. Here 3248 plus 5163. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. The actual sum is 8411. 8411. Clear? Here we are going to discuss estimating difference. Second question. Estimate the difference of 6518 and 4352 by rounding off to the nearest tens. Second, to the nearest hundreds. Both we have to find. So, first to the nearest tens. The numbers are 6518. 6518 lies between 6510 and 6520. Okay, the middle number is 6515. So where is the position of 18? 6518. It is nearer to 6520. So it is rounded up to 6520. Clear? Next number is 4352. Here 4352 lies between 4350 and 4360. Where is the position of 52? 4352. It is nearer to 4350. So it is rounded down to 4350. Okay. Then we have to find difference. Estimated difference. Estimated difference. Equals 6520 minus 4350. Okay, subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. We can't subtract 5 from 2. So what we will do? We have to borrow 1 from next place. So this 2 become 12. This 5 become 4. 12 minus 5 equals 7. 4 minus 3 is equals 1. 6 minus 4 is equals 2. Clear? 2170 is the estimated difference. Second question, to the nearest 100. The numbers are, first one 6518. 6518 lies between two hundreds. Which are they? 6500 and 6600. Okay, we already studied that now. Here, which is the middle number? 6550 is the middle number. Where is the position of 6518? It is before the middle number. It is nearer to 6500. So it is rounded down to 6500. Okay. Next, 4352. Here 4352 lies between 4300 and 4400. Middle number is 4350. Okay. Then the number 4352 is after the middle number, or it is nearer to 4400. So it is rounded up to 4400. Clear? Then estimated difference. Estimated difference. Equals 6500 minus 4400. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 4, 2. 2100 is the estimated difference.